Today I was developing a cool project called blocking website or ad blocker, and this one I learned this really cool trick which I want to show you. Basically my goal is, for example, this website Facebook, during my when I'm at home and I want to study more, so I want to make sure that this website is blocked. So I'll use a simple trick, which is like redirecting this URL, the facebook.com, to something random. So let's see. So in order to do that, first we need to, I'm over here, so user slash cache, my name. We'll move from there to this folder, and we'll check. We are checking for this file hosts. So let's clear the console. So in order to access that file, because it requires special privilege to change any setting in that one, so we'll use sudo command, sudo nano, and we'll change it into host. It requires password, and there you go. We are in this file. So first, we want to make sure we are changing the URL of, so we'll be doing, let's do this URL. This is a very common URL. It's mostly used for localhost, so let's do facebook.com, and can also do uh, this one. Alright, so that's done, and you can see here the control X is required. So I'm in a Mac laptop, so here you go. So control X, Y, and done. Save. So I'm gonna check. Alright, so I can see that it is getting pinged with this URL, so let's do that. So we'll interrupt this, clear this, and let's reload it. Okay, it's still working. Alright, so next thing we have to do is we'll do one more thing. We'll just close this Google Chrome, and we'll close it from now. So we'll close it, we'll reload it just to make sure it is an incognito. Alright, so it cannot be reached. Okay, so it looks like it's working. So the next part of this thing is it's working in Google Chrome, but you guys, if you guys are having problem with Safari or with Firefox, I'll show you how to solve that problem as well. So let's quickly deal with this in Safari. So we'll check in Safari first. It's working. Okay, we'll close this, quit it, let's try again. It will again be working. Same with Firefox. So let's try in this one. It's working. We'll close the Firefox completely. Okay, and let's do incognito. Right. So it's still working. So you can see that it's working in Google Chrome, but it's not working in Safari and Firefox. So to solve this issue, first what we'll do, we are again going to make some changes in the same document. So we'll do sudo nano. There you go. So now we will give simple, so these address is in IPv4, so we'll give address in IPv6 just to cover our edges. So we'll be using, so 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 times v6, and let's do the same thing there. Okay, looks okay, and Control X, Y, yes, and it's done. So let's see, ping again. So okay, so open Firefox. So before doing that, let's first close this account. Okay, that's done. Yeah, so now it's been blocked. You can see even if I use there, it will still not, so unable to connect. So let's try in Safari. So I want to make sure that this is closed as well. Alright, so let's try in private window first, and you can see it's blocked, and same with the normal window, so it's already blocked. Yeah, so one additional tip before you guys go, if this thing is still not working and you decide to do a restart and it's still not working for you, I will advise to run this command because this will clear all the cache. So reset everything. So sudo dscacheutil slash flushcache. Just run this command and everything will be done. Yep, all the best. Thank you.